A white male has been arrested for saying he want to unalive 30K black folks. 30K black folks. His name is Scott Hanna. He been arrested. He just got arrested for trying to unalive 30K black people. He said the reason he want to do this is because the government won't take out the trash. This is what he said, word from word, verbatim. The government won't take out the trash and get rid of all them monkeys, all them apes. So he said he got him a group of folks, a group of YT people, and they in Cincinnati. Cause y'all remember what happened last time. So he's saying that he got them together and they gonna go around and kill 30K black folks. Unalive 30K black folks. Take out the trash. Wipe the whole city free of black folks. Kids and all. 30K, his name is Scott Hanna. So my thing is, the police, when I'ma drop the post that he made on Twitter. My thing is, the police twisted his words around. They made it sound like it ain't what it is. They said they trying to like make it like allegedly, and you know what I mean, like just trying to switch the words around. Nah, that nigga said he want to unalive 30K apes. 30K apes. He calling us apes in Cincinnati. The police twisted it around. They never mentioned the 30K apes. They just said 30K black people. Say what he said. It ain't a curse word. Say what he said. What did he say? We know what he said, but what did he say to y'all, the news people? The polices. What did he say? People like that need to be dealt with accordingly. They need to get the chair or something, because it's like a lot of us black folks really not racist. It's not that we want to have beef with YT people or none of that shit. Like, a lot of us, we really not racist. I just had a white person over my house, don't know him from a can of paint. He just fixed my car this weekend. Last weekend. Don't know him from a can of paint. He just fixed my car. He had his baby with him, his little baby girl. She probably like 3-4 months old. She went in the house with my wife. My wife held her while he was fixing on the alcohol. We were talking and drinking and shit. We not racist. He wasn't scared of none of that shit. It's just a handful of people are racist. Like, them type of people need to be dealt with. Y'all need to go somewhere. We not trying to start shit with y'all. But if y'all want to take it there, you not gonna win. We keep saying you not gonna win. What part you don't understand? You're not gonna win this battle, this war, whatever it is, because this shit is not the 1600s, the early 1900s, the early 1800s, the late 1800s, whatever. This is not the same time. You're gonna get fucked over. This is not the same time. This is not the same generation. We don't give a fuck. We gonna fuck you up. It don't matter. It do not matter. It don't matter if you want to it don't matter if you want to box, fight, shoot, kick, all of the above. It don't matter. Shout out to Moolah. Go bump that motherfucker. We can bump, fight, shoot, kick, all of the above. Y'all gotta cut that shit out. You're not gonna win. It don't matter. Y'all already scared of us. A lot of y'all try to act like y'all ain't scared, nigga. If you ain't scared as the man, your motherfucking wife is, nigga. Your kid is, nigga. Cause y'all men gonna be men, y'all gonna try to stand up anyway. But your wife, she scared. Your granny, she scared. Your granddaddy, he scared. Your son, he scared. Y'all scared cause we got locks in our head. Y'all scared because our women got froze. Y'all scared of us. We not scared of y'all though, at all. We will go from 0 to 100 quick. It's no problem. No problem. We don't give a fuck. Y'all gotta cut that shit out, fool. People like that. You trying to group up, which he did. This was the thing. He tried to group up and try to do this today. This shit supposed to took place today. This shit, they got him though. Thank God they got him. This shit supposed to took place today in Cincinnati. Why black folks didn't know what was going on whatsoever. They ain't even got this shit all over the news. This shit ain't even all over the media. Barely people know about it. Because they trying to keep quiet about it. A lot of folks don't know. This shit's supposed to happen today. Today. This Sunday. But it ain't go as planned though. Because God be working. God be watching you. If don't nobody hear you, bro, God hear you, bro. God hear you, bro. That's why you where you at right now. And they giving you the benefit of the doubt and didn't even charge you with a hate crime. You did not get charged with a hate crime. And then you got previous charges back in the day. From trying to cut a black lady head off. You threatened a black lady and said you gonna cut her head off with a fucking sword, samurai sword, and that shit didn't work. You swung at her, but you weren't successful and hit her. You injured her a little bit, but you weren't successful, and you only got 6 years in jail for this shit. And they let you back into society. You a Scott Hanna. This is not Scott Hanna. You a fucking weirdo. You still mad about some shit from back then, nigga. Only black people need to be mad, not you. Not you. We still suffer. It don't matter how y'all try to put this shit. Black folks still suffering to this day. It don't matter if we get approved for a house, approved for a car, approved for whatever, got the job, all type of shit. You still gonna deal with some fucking racism. Cause all that shit was created for racism. For being racist. Credit was for racism. Because it was money. At first it was just about money. Now they came up with a system. We gonna come up with a system and we gonna use credit. And hopefully the black folks, everybody ain't gonna be able to understand that shit. So we gonna keep them down in poverty. Cause we don't want them staying by us. A lot of white folks don't want black folks staying by them right now to this day. I see this shit every day. And that black neighbor be trying to go out of their way and be trying to, hey, how you doing? Dude, that's not how you act. That's not your real reality. Like, that's not you. You don't be, your mama ain't raised you, hey, how you doing? No, you don't come like that. You be like, what's up? Y'all all right? Y'all straight? Woo-de-woo. We ain't with none of that. You change your whole demeanor for them folks. I act at the same, it don't matter where I go. It don't matter where I'm at. Even the managers at my job, I done had managers at my job, the folks who the owners and shit, talk like how I talk because they be like I talk country. I never change my demeanor for nobody. And act like hey, how you doing? Cause that ain't me. I don't give a fuck who you is, how you coming. I'ma be me. They act like me. They be fucking with me. Saying, what's up, bro? And what's up, dude? And all that shit. Like, I don't be like, it's racist or not. I just be like, these folks crazy motherfuckers. They fucking with me, though. Because I'm original, for I don't play that shit. Like I said, we not racist, bro. But if y'all want to take it there, fool, just go ahead and say it. Be 100. That's all I ask of you, like Gates said. But, hey, y'all ain't gonna win that.